So I made some adjustments to the print surface to try and adjust the height and level it a little better, and see if I could, I don't know, just loosen it up a little bit. And I tried to print a Flexie Fidget last night, and that's kind of what it looks like. Fortunately, I caught it before the printer thought it was done, so I didn't have an enormous pile of whatever that is there. But I think I've got the setting right now, so we're doing it again. Oh, if you notice that a little white spot in the center of the, let me see if I can zoom there. A little white spot in the center there of the surface was because the first time I printed something, first time I printed something, I used the wrong filament. I used a filament that was made for a pen and not for a printer, and it stuck so good to the surface that I couldn't get it off. And when I tried to use a razor blade, stupid me, and I actually cut a chunk of the surface off. And eventually I'll get around to replacing it. I found out recently that you can actually use painter's tape and glue stick to make your own surface. So I'm going to do that eventually, but right now I'm just doing my experiments. So maybe I'll do another video when this one is done to kind of show you what it looks like, although I've already shown in a previous video. This one is actually a small version. This is the original thing that I had created. The one that I made in the previous video was a scaled version that took up almost a whole bed surface when I printed it. Alright, so I just wanted to show you, what can happen if you do it wrong and what it looks like when you do it right. I'm hoping I got it right. I haven't actually done a full print since I made the latest adjustments, but I got my fingers crossed, and hopefully it'll all work out. Alright, thanks for watching.